Welcome to AI Studio Training video series. In this video I am going to show you how to create landscape studio quality video. Go to the left menu and click on AI Video Creator and AI Studio Bot will be open. Now choose your desired category in which you want to create your video. Enter your desired keyword on which you want to create video. Now choose landscape orientation. And your desired landscape studio quality video open in our exclusive editor. Now you can customize it according to your requirements. In the gym, your only competition is yourself. Push harder, lift heavier, and become the best version of you. Once you're done editing, click on Export and your landscape studio quality video is ready. You can add music into your video if you want. Now you can view it. Download it. Or share it. Thanks for watching the video.